What's up, everybody? Wanted to make a quick video on how to remove the center console in a 2017 Toyota 4Runner. First thing you want to do is unscrew the gear shifter. That just comes off. In the four corners of the center console, just unplug everything. I've already got mine taken apart, so I'm just going to do it real quickly. So just pull on the four corners of the main console, and that just comes right on out. A couple of plugs you have to unplug, self-explanatory. Just unplug those, put that to the side. You have these side pieces here. If you just grab them on the insides and pull them out, these just snap in. Pull those to the side. Same here, pull these to the side out. There's a couple of screws right here that I've already taken out. There is a piece here that you just pull out and it snaps out as well. The piece right here, if you just grab with both hands, and again, I've already done this earlier, if you just grab with both hands, this just snaps off as well. And I'm just gonna let this hang right here. I don't need to unplug that. And then you have your last piece here that this just has some connectors as well. You just grab, apply a little pressure, and that just comes out. And everything is just held in by some snapping pieces, connectors, and that's it. So real quickly, we wanted to show you how to take this apart. Looks like a mess, but everything just snaps on and off. Pretty simple.